in this video, this is an updated recipe on how to make musk sticks or candy sticks. I've chosen to do 4 different flavours: lemon, strawberry, marshmallow and bubblegum. These are aesthetically pleasing to look at and very morish. Talk about easy to make. This is a little cake that I decorated. Just going to show the inside. Nice and firm, just the way I like it. And I'm having a lemon one because lemon's my favourite. Ingredients you need: 2.5 teaspoons of gelatin, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of glucose syrup, 500 grams of icing sugar, flavouring of your choice and colouring of your choice. This is what I chose. Bloom your gelatin in cold water for 5 minutes. Sift your icing sugar. I'm putting mine in a stand mixer bowl. Once all sifted, in a saucepan you're going to add the bloomed gelatin, your water, your glucose syrup. Put on the stove and melt the gelatin. Once all melted, you are going to then add to the stand mixer and mix for about 30 seconds, and that's it. At this point you'll add your flavouring and your gel colouring. I'm using an extruder to pipe my candy sticks, so you need to put them in piping bags so it doesn't dry out quick. Pipe with an extruder. Once all piped, you're going to let them dry for an hour, preferably overnight, and there you go. Enjoy.